Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to redeem crypto voucher on Binance. All right. So to redeem a Binance crypto voucher or gift card, just go and log into your Binance app. Go to your home right here. At the top left, we have the three horizontal lines. Now go to scroll all the way down and tap on more services. And in here, go ahead and scroll all the way down once more. And I mean all the way down till you find others. Here we have gift cards. Okay. So just tap on it and just tap on redeem to crypto right here. And if you want to check the validity of your card or redemption code, just tap on this option. Okay. And just check. Now going back, if you want to redeem, tap on redeem to crypto right here. Enter the 16-character code to instantly credit funds to your spot or funding wallet by just tapping on redeem. Now, if you meant redeeming token vouchers, okay, well, let's go ahead over to our profile once more, right here in this section. And then what you're going to do is just go ahead and find the rewards hub. Okay, again, more, and just find the rewards hub. Okay, just go ahead and scroll down a bit. Under gift and campaign, here we have rewards hub. And what you're going to do is just go ahead and click or tap on my vouchers. And you will have the list of your vouchers right here. You can just go ahead and tap on use. And then in the next page, just tap on use reward. Okay. You can enter a voucher code right here at the top right. If you have one, enter the code. And then just tap on claim voucher. And there you have it. Those are the ways to redeem crypto vouchers on Binance. So I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.